Alright, hey guys, it's me, Simone. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Tonic haul here. So, what was this? Black Friday. I think, right? Yeah, this was Black Friday. I did the Black Friday, Cyber Monday blind bags that they did. And when they had like their daily bundles or something, or was that Christmas? I don't remember. I think I think it was Cyber Monday. It was like a week of deals or something like that. I don't remember exactly. It's been a while. And so I missed the cheaper one. I have the more expensive one, and this has been like the last thing I purchased really. So I'm going to have this big box that just got here. I'll move it off the table. Okay. I did two things. I got two things. I got the embellishment mousse bundle. And I got the mega mystery bundle. So, oh yeah, it came out here. So I got this one. I like the embellishment mousse. So this embellishment mousse, they're originally like $6 a piece, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 times 9 is $72, and I paid $25 for this. I love the embellishment mousse. It's really nice. I have a few other colors. I got more. So I have this one. This is the honeydew. It's like a nice little, I don't know what to call it, almost like a silverish kind of color with a little bit of green. I have this one, so pretty, toasted almonds. It's really like a shiny beige almost color. This one's obviously this color, nice like bright fuchsia. This is pink from Bay. This one is the English heather. It's like a grape color. This one is Parisian red, and it looks like a brick, kind of like a brick red color. This one is the burnished bronze. It reminds me more of like a deep chocolate brown. This one is orange blush. It reminds me of like a fluorescent orange color. This one is lemon sorbet. It's like a very light lemon color, but not too overwhelming. The last one here is the aloe vera, and it reminds me more of like a gosh, what do you call it? It's not Kelly green, but it's close enough to Kelly green. All right, that's the colors. This is the big mystery bundle kit that I think was supposed to be like $150 or $200. I think I see something in there that I already have that I love. So let's pick the first few things off. I have this Craft Perfect paper, and this is the Ionic, or was not Ionic, Onyx. I don't know why I say Ionic. Onyx black. And it has like a shimmer to it. Y'all can't really see it, but it has a little bit of a shine to it, almost like it is pearlescent paper, like black paper, but not that shiny. A very slight one. And this one is spring silver. It looks more silver on camera, but it actually has almost like a greenish tint to it. I don't know. Yeah. Next one I have here is the bright white paper, and this is the weave texture one. Okay. 80 pounds. This is 80 pounds. That stuff was 92 pounds. Okay, cool. Next one I have is this signature calligraphy refillable brush tip jet pen. Interesting, never heard of this. So it has a refill here, and then that's the pen. Okay. Here is an essential 14 by 14 easy clean mat. Are you kidding me? No way. What? I'm opening it up, guys. Are you kidding me? No way. Yep, that's what it is. 14 by 14. Ah, I love it. I love it. I have the Tim Holtz one, but I had to mess up on that one. So I went and bought the Tim Holtz little small one to use on my table, and I had put paper over it when I was like painting, and it was a little wider than the mat. And then I was trying to cut the paper, and I forgot the mat was still under there, so I sliced right through it. Yep, you heard that right. I've been meaning to get another one of these for my glass mat. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, that's cool. Alright, moving on. I got some of these dies. It says congratulations. That'll come in handy. And birthday wishes. I could definitely use these. Oh, wow. I have a Dream in Color pattern paper 6x6 pad. I've never purchased their pads before, ever. I'm actually kind of shocked this thing came. I'm going to flip through it, guys. I'm trying to open it for you. I'm actually shocked this came. I think it wasn't supposed to come until Tuesday or something. I think it's my last, because the tracking it just gave me tracking for this thing. All this time I just got tracking for it. I was like wondering where it was. So let's see. That's the paper looks like. Okay, so it's just the same pattern. You get 4 of the same patterns. Right, 4. Yeah. And it's 24 sheets, so. I have this one. This is the Scent with Love. Oh, Scent with Love. I get it. It took me a while. I was like, what? What is this? And you have little bunnies. Got some skunks, trees, worms, leaves. It says, I'm thinking of you. I adore you. Odor. You get it? Odor. I odor you. And Scent with Love. Alright, cool. I got some it's like confetti. Red carpet circles, yeah. Pure sheen confetti. Okay. This one, oh, I have another one of these. This is the burnished bronze. So this one came in the bundle, and I got one again in the mystery pack. I have to sell that because I'm not gonna use that. All right, so I have this. What is this? A precision rotary cutter. Okay, and it comes with a cap. And this is. Does it tell you anything about it? No. Okay. Wow. That's a small rotary cutter, guys. It comes with a cap. And I like that it's kind of big and it has a little finger thing for you. I lose those little small caps they give you sometimes. Alright, then I have these scissors. These are the Pro Cut Collection double beveled blade vents cutting action. And it has a cushion. Alright. are all fancy over here. Okay. And I'm gonna have to clip those little. Oh yeah, it does have a nice little handle. Kind of reminds me of the Tim Holtz, but it's not as soft. It's a little harder, but yeah. Like those. Nice color. I have this saxophone solo. I have another one of these that I got in another blind bag, but I think he was smaller. But my mom sings and does music, so I can easily make that for her. I have some Nouveau flower pollen, scarlet color. I don't know what we're supposed to do with this. Okay, Nouveau flower pollen adds a realistic detail to stamens of paper flower designs. The pollen can be used and added as an extra touch to decorate cards, scrapbook embellishments, and can be used for other craft projects. How to use: apply glue to the stamen tips and gently put in a pot of Nouveau flower pollen, or sprinkle on by hand and leave it dry. Interesting. I've never heard of it. It's really soft. Okay. Well, it's all this one right there, right? This is the traditional hearts layering basic die. It's pretty small. And I mean, my basic dies. I love them. I love them. I saw this one already in there. I was like, ooh. More of my favorite scissors. Y'all know I have like umpteen of these around my house. Literally. I'm not even joking. I have so many of these scissors. I love their scissors. Just every time these go on clearance, I like grab them. I have enough now, but I love these scissors. So, you know, she was excited to get more to her collection. Okay, this one I have a Tangled Mischief. A cat with yarn. Tangled up in yarn. Cute. I have a stencil here. Okay, this is a stencil. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Design, let's give it a name. Oh yeah, full bloom stencil. Can you see that back? That's kind of what it looks like. Has a little top for you. I have music note die. Do I have this already? This looks kind of familiar. I think I got it already. I have a yarn cutter. Oh wow. Cuts yarn easily. Safe. Easy to use. It comes with a little string so you can hold it. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I'm excited. I got the retractable craft knife from Tim Holtz with refills. Woo woo. Look at me. This is like what, $6, $7, $8? Oh my gosh. I like that. I'm excited. Next I have this glue pen. Medium flat tip glue pen. This will come in handy for some of my intricate die cuts. Then I have this watercolor card, A6 size, 15 sheets, 4.5 by 6 1/4, 300 GSM cold press. And last thing in here is I got some of the alcohol markers and the blue indigo ink set. Comes with blueprints, ultramarine, and French navy. I've never tried their alcohol inks, but you know me, I'm kind of person who's like, alcohol markers are, what's the alcohol inks? Alcohol markers are just kind of like there, unless you're like trying to color within a specific color family. Like if a lot of craft brands, they come out with different mediums, they'll match each other. Like they'll have paper that's, you know, ultramarine blue. They'll have ink pad that's an ultramarine blue. They'll have a marker that comes out that's ultramarine blue. You know, have all these that come out. It's like matched together, and you can use them if you want to do like tone on tone stamping or something. I don't know. I don't craft that way, so don't ask me. You know, it's the fun of the challenge to see if you can figure out how to make this ink pad work. But I don't do tone on tone, so it's not a big thing. It's not for me at all. But that's it. That's really it. That's all I got here. I can't resist a good blind bag. They do have a blind bag on Spellbinders. I think it's $45 for $150 worth of supplies. And I'm not buying it because I already got this for $50. And I'm good. So final thoughts so far on everything I got. I know Spellbinders. Simon Says Stamp did the blind bag too. That was a while ago. But I've never bought their blind bags. I'm gonna kind of go on a tangent. I've never bought their blind bags from Simon Says Stamp because I kept seeing the same issue that I don't like when companies do this. Which is giving you items you cannot use. Like, that kills me. It just does. And Simon Says Stamp is very notorious for doing that. Basically, what I'm talking about, a lot of people will get things you can't use without having to go out and buy a whole new item. That's not like a tool, it's a supply. So I got a stamp set. Let's say this came with dies. Sometimes I've seen a lot in Simon Says Stamps blind bags that they'll include the dies for the stamp set, but not the actual stamp set. And how are you supposed to use those dies if you don't have the stamp set? That's a waste of money. No, to me, it's a waste of money to me to have that, and you can't even use it. You can't use it. So you have to go online and pay $15, $16, $20 to actually use the die set or try to sell the dies. Like, I just rather you give me something I can actually use, or don't put it and don't include it. I don't want to take that risk of getting things I can't use, like dies I can't use. If you're going to send me dies that can be used, like these. You know, if you get a blind bag and it includes dies and you don't have a die cutting machine, that's a little different. But to include something like this I cannot use, like, at all, without having to go out and buy, like, the description tells you you're going to include, because it does, yeah. The description does tell you what generally is included, like dies, stamps, stencils, embossing folders. So you know if you get this set, you're going to need to get a die cutting machine. But so that's one thing I don't like. I've been seeing that a lot for Simon Says, what they call crafty bundles. Some people I watch, they get a lot of dies. I say a lot, but they get dies that they can't use because you don't have a stamp set for it, and it just kind of takes away on the value of the items, the value of the box, if you get a bunch of things you can't use. So enough of me rambling. I will talk to y'all later. I might come back up here and make a card with these items, like come here with this die, maybe use this paper, the other paper back there, this die, because this is actually kind of Valentine's-y. The adore you, you know, kind of sent with love thing. So we might make a little card with these items later on, or a little project with these, a little something. All right, that's it. I jabbered on for long enough. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Get crafty and be safe. Bye.